my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from Untouchable Mama. You get little thing where I want to talk today. You get one audio where I just come across. So this lady they talk about Dionosaegi and people will donate for her. I bet if I say my friends say now no say that this lady now they talk about. So this lady I don't know her name. So I saw there for YouTube. So I can't see this audio. I can't the list. I not just finish the audio because I just listen small. So they talk about Dionosaegi say they donate money for her. So say my friend tell her say he donate money for her. Say me Dionosaegi may go return that money. My sister, I not come here can cost you. I know it will cost you. But if you see this audio, if you cost me, I go use and take bath you because na me be that. I if person know they understand something, I'll make her understand. But if you say maybe you want to do what may take cost me, I will tell you say I still get my own mat. Your friend tell you say, no what I they hate for this life. They say, I say, this one say, your friend tell you say donate money for Dion. You tell that your friend say may bring the receipt come. The receipt where they donate. But many people they talk. They put person just for bad. They will not put in name for bad name. How you go say your friend say no be say now you even donate the money. Your friend say donate money. May Dion go bring that money come. May I tell you, my sister, this charity when the people they do, not be with force. I never see where Dion they do a video where they tell people say you must donate. If you like, you donate. If you not like, don't do it. About this woman where that said this Kingsley where come out. We don't know the amount where they donate for her. Nobody know amount. Not be everybody where they call. Not be say I they come here, come they defend Dion. And I don't get that right to ask Dion. Me, I don't get that right to ask Dion. Say, Dion, how much they donate for you? I don't get that right. I don't get that right. You understand? We don't know how much they donate for this Kingsley wife. Nobody know. Not be everybody where they call Dion. They really they bring that money come. Me una they use na common sense. Mona still they use that. Mona they use that. Person if he call, he go say, I go send you that money on Monday. I go send you money on Friday. Just go they write their name for that. You the thing say na so John go they follow them, they call them one by one. Say bros, that money where you say you want to know. Sister, that money where you say you want to donate. Because donation now for my name for the come. If you really say you want to donate, nobody go even remember you. Now you go just send that money direct. That very the way you tell the person say you want send that money. Now you go send the money. Don't be say your friend say, my friend say, you be Dionosaegi fans, Say that many people they talk say that they give Dionosaegi advice, they take. Now all advice be advice, not be all advice be advice. So advice the way you go follow on, you go say, let's say I know if I not do this advice what person give me, if I not take on. Maybe the advice one they give the boy, he go say, which kind of sense be this one? I don't feel follow this advice. Make I tell many of you now when they give John advice. This charity of a thing, this boy don't start out. If you say na lemon go watch in YouTube. If I get one YouTube boy open that time. Me don't watch it. Don't tell what this boy they do. As this boy just carry on social media for Facebook. Now everywhere just be like brr brr. This one no one here, this one no one here. It's not a force to donate for charity. If you like, you do. Even the Europe for year, it's not a force. They will never force you to donate for them. If you like, sometimes they will call you, will press your bell. They will say they be charity. If you like, you go say, okay, I get €5. They'll still write time for that. If you like, you give them. If they still tell you say you want to donate, if you tell them say I don't get money, they'll come out. They not they beat you. They not put gun for your head. Say you must donate. When I suffer for money when I don't even work. People wait donate the money. Me never even hear say person make out just say, that's why I donate 50,000 for Dion. Because Dion talk say Dion even talk at the money where he give that man. I don't know the one way come be no problem. Dion must do this one. What you never call her? Dion, my brother, they say ESS they look for you. Last year na FBI, this year na ESS na wow. They never look for Obaseki. Huh? Obaseki wey use 1 billion to do flower for ring road. They never go look for am, make explain as it takes spend that 1 billion. More na so free. More kuna so free. Make una so free. Because me I don't know what they worry many people. Whether I even get brain or not get at all, I don't know. About Obaze, oh, that one sit there. About Obaze said Dion must remove account. About me, I tell you, Dion, not be account, not be private account. Now Dion put for them. If you never know me, you know. Because you know say never come up for a magba. Because to do a charity, I never do charity before, but I see people where they do. You know if you put your private account there. It must be business account. If you never know me, you they know now. If your charity now register charity, it must be business account, not private. You remember one time where one person called you and say you want to send 100,000, give a mate say just chop, mate say eat, mate say do shopping. Dion come tell and say, I will send my personal account, can't give you. Because Dion know say, if that man put her for a charity account, you know if he withdraw, go put for a private account. Come here and tell you, many things they want to know for business. Wanna go ask people where they do and where. Because if Dion put your number for charity account, they must ask her, where for register, whether na United States for register or you still register for Nigeria, they will monitor them. Say, why this money they flow for your account all the time? Since na business account, they must see how the thing they enter. I don't know as I explain and tell you now. Many of them are just there for you, and I don't even know anything, I don't even know gun, I don't even know con. Now where they push you now go, now they push you now self they go. There is something between private account and business account. If you want to go open account now, they'll go ask you, say, which account you want to put? The account where you wanted they do business. You know if you put them for send a private or because if you put them for private, as money they enter, now so they'll come they control you. This law where the country where you they'll come monitor and say, what did they happen? This private, this your account, money to the enter, and maybe you can explain to them. But if na business account, nobody will come and ask you, say why money to the enter because na business. About where they for but we never come up for Bini. Now they explain that to you so. That account where they on the side they put for they say God sent foundation. If you want to go put money, when you look the receipt where they give you, they'll write and come and say you send money for God sent foundation. They know they say you send money give Dion Osaigi. Actually, they understand now. Many people they understand. They will think say, person when one send money can't give me now. Now my name, now you go there for that paper where that receipt where they will give you. If my business account, the business account of the name of the business of my account, now you go come out for the receipt. No say about now. You say John Sage must remove a private account. You know if you get sense, you know no say person they do business, you know if you put your private account. Say na business now you want put. Now so that one reach. Then this guy where you just talk, where you just shout for there, they talk, you just use 1 hour 30 minutes, they talk about John Sage. I fear you, my sister. My friend say that they donate. If you don't want to donate, mona leave the poor boy alone. When they do what they do, they go. Mona go open now. Mona say they do now. About say one go do you. About go do your. Every person go still support you. Who like you go still support. Who not like you no go support you. It's not a task. May you come out hand for person business. May you go do your own. And that one I be for that one or that girl because I don't know whether the girl na Bini. That make me use this English. They broken. It me I take talk to her. Then this one are for Abat. Abat Obaze when we are doing him. Imayeti we even where we may hate. Even where he hates. Make I tell Elofuna. Why have fair because if you don't have Google because do don't say kere. Do Abat be him. Why have no time where about only say was about your right. Abat ene etiokpa no haya senti stop e diono saige gumeta ma wa bat dete diono saige o ma register e charitore e ba ni afiama na afien e ba no dua na ahwe since o register e we me right ye e ma no me right no haya senti stop e o e yin na bege we e no wo ma gba e ba ni hana senti stop e we no da ma gba ba ni wo abati we ha ma we diono saige ogu were do ka de termina me deri ogu were do we se diono saige ai be do ni wa die Facebook do avan no do achati e como se so ma como o we full gbo we Facebook wa disgrace family we o ma no we ha go gun face to face no ha ke no buari office ma boejo wa die Facebook u do ani nyo wege u do avan no we bani e ho emu we u tota no we ne gbewe ehwemu we yeye ogi ani we bad politician we wani him we because we politician okay bad one or we my no Obaseki we no ya we him my we tamawe Obaseki is doing this Obaseki is doing that in we watani you are just making noise every man your manager me na we bone any government in order they are not doing anything iye we mi rokpa e mata gwa ni him iye we mi rokpa ESCC must do this. They must arrest genocide. Obiana no karo Oshomole. We arrested. Lucky Benedion, we arrested. Umeta mawabat, winner. Mona no the beg out. Mona no beg about again. Uga your boy and genocide. Iba bo off your kunele. Una he wevo or off your kunele. Umana he wevo iba boy wow. Huh? Wow, because of Banake Hama, where Abati Kiri, where Benakiri. Umay me Hama, where not Bokboma, no Bokboma, you. Oh, Jay, Otobama, Nibagbo. Ah, when it was like when we see I, no higher when no because who were it or yet Toniwa. And I don't know where to Tony Kabaka Gua. Oh, only Tevye politician. Who Pioe or your web Pioe, who Jao when I were only where Batigua. Awe gume abati politician ye he giye gua we get tafo awa be your woman working no man woman working your heart where abasi ho dan ogbe we ni that bad mind no wagu we ni o he can change what change where set if we that God sent foundation where if we do we have to we we no pe ESCC or give gwale na FBI set in America la wo bere ivo abati o ga bu beri ma bere ivo ave man we via na diani weni ado awe audio menu we wa neje eriyanje common sense o ma common sense ye eguyan when imejo na we send go gume oh, we say anybody that we send it go get on the side. Not be say I send money, you get the receipts, even though send a Western Union you for doing. Now yes, now you take doing. Go meet them for the buy office. While Sebani printed the paper no. Ohono Nigeria now where you must be receipt no. Ohono euro to euro now where man where get euro to euro. Oh my yari get genocide give the account of it. You must have the receipt unless where real never finish. I receipt. Then I saw the Niati where I send money go give genocide girl. When I got anywhere, you get the proof. We need the proof. Only one not get proof. Then imagine he may prove it after we send him in over. He must send it. On your server web anything no carry one proof wa go on any proof wa go wa go nowhere because we no hire go ma gweso. Women who have your so cannot send you a yard water where I send money go give that but me tell you all this money agboya ha wo semi go nai agboya wo si agbona mana be do ba e ma be CIG so why ko wo ave man ni ku ni go ya mari un luvo no te ya ma so ya mari un gbere no na suffer o wa semi go mani vieto mostly mani vieto wa no awa mo nyahu egi for there igo no hu igo ware kona wo no hu igo me de gwa no ma hu no wa ya de ge hu ya wa wo iye hu na ya ma hu na ya ba kharo abat na ke kama we nu we abat we ba bo efie kunlele we o ma na re we ba bo mu wa o we bo amuhia ma be ge gwa na ye we gwa na ye we bo amuhia we your last blood don ya gbena ma ge bi nu we ya gbena bi nu kana from your toy we wa gbe na ho mi oto emi na register that John say get ma register o e get mo no de Nigeria no we handle our God Sent Foundation anything we register America another one we Nigeria we mo boma we mo when we hata we o de no na gba that you ma register una threaten na we he just ma register o ti we e no pay tax ji e tax na John say get pay ni value eso we no gwani do ma e tax ni e wa pay abu we unu ya ke business e tax no wa pay ni ya value eso we na bat no we agbuzubuzu ni ya value eso we because I don le many things eji we na ume nuje ume company no mu gbo ume kono na wina wa wala tian odo avan of Facebook o we boy ade to vani oga mo when ni mani Italy ahata always say that vero tu shele pale when ni ati e pale ami no bia me ototo ni mi vani no bia me ni obo agele amu enu bunya ade Italy ga etama wonu we ogwegbe Italy na etama wewe say that vero tu shele pale vie ni kwi uwa ko bi egbe because emi no really mi o ya fa wo ho ya fia wo mu fuwa why ugele ni vanu bia ni ototo ni ugele mo ogele huwa ye toto ba ni boarie ekino na nwina ba ni kin office ogeji all the time ya take an address yeje avi hu ni reva ni hwa ka gbuwe ye igbuwe ebi bia kan ke do gbado yi go ho ya no na meyo wonu ado yi go ho ya no na meyo wonu woman we this the say again no we no pa o wa agu ogwe wa redo o do ameke noise with Facebook. Are you not ashamed of yourself? We move well. They tell you that domani ni awe ye domani. So a message now when I pass it to the person. I'm not going to go domani. Ekbe can we stage here? Can a office or your marriage? What do I find on my Facebook? You are a disgrace to the Benin people. Disgrace, you are a disgrace. You well we magboya. You are a disgrace. Mota, you are a disgrace. Who well magboya. Obi gbo awe mi ne boy now we ba me he I mi opawo ihe mu jukun ye mu wo yen ka bo gba na gbalo ma be no do de ba wana see na na me we many people te run no te no we mi ye to ba ni beti ya oni ya hu ibi de mu anya re gbin ya le du we no ma na be no gba be tu e na e jo se ke we ye many things ni pass through okay we ye de do ya do ka be ta we ye many things ni we pass through me ke don ni o maizi na wa ma wari unwe la de we ha do awe mi ije ka wa so la wo we no we me la wo we me no we me eri unwe yo pe la wo we me no we me wa na no mama na no na egwale abe enemy of progress no ma wo ne do ni pa no ma no move ye ba ni re egbu wa na o wa sie ne do ni na ye je mi no je ni wa mi me so bo wa ye do we dey talk ye wa vu mu pa ne ya mu ari eko wa guta wa no mama na sie awu wa no mama na o sie iru na mi we so wa pa ene le do beto me de ko me de worry mo sie egbu wa na no mama na o sie ni bi na lepa wa na egbu wa na no mama na ami o wa yo go ya te we no wa ahia ma no te pa no do hion dafen even na party wa jeni o ma o no ni abi evi ogwe ni redo ni ya hion dafen yeye ni agaro to tinye enye gwa lo ederi ona mi obiara no so e o ka gbe me usena you be here ona mi o bia dey isi wan no ma fi boy ekpo no we my bros we mi ona no we ko ya danyo o ga dey no say again no fi boy ekpo o we na ma you be ori na we mi ona no we ko mi no we ari mi aba mu moto yo rebu moto re aha we so bie abati o so bie e no na je o re ga ni ba ni na ge te ho we ye ken ya na agba obi no no we go ma if you born give me money me ate buy something wetin wan use am take do ama no we go me no han you go ya o ma no very job o de ga mu ne o haita we no the name of we dey work pa awu back at don sage we o ya awu bakeka onye we o wa ya we dey work pa there logo we dey work pa about mienwe abati mienwe ebe kere ni filoma we na o ge tayi le we gbode ege ga ese abi hu ya ne jono sage we ijobona keke bi me no go we gwana mai wa banwa o bia no o hu ri no No when the John say against a business or when I said a charity nigga la down. No when if you do. No when if you do get near by the Kenya Jerry near me that unway aswa tia bojo. Banu hana emanu wotia bona. Emanu wotia boni me a serie because I want to wow now where the name in yata. I be a canning in no dwari and you who nila who near well pressure there. You know where about the Anthony Wedge. Ah, oh no, the fibroid maybe 10 years. Oh, where don't it? Ah, not by no enemy. Over any. Oh, where my dang, oh, ah, I actually took no women just away a hoibana came ma. Or a banana, a governor who wear a basket your hecken or dwaviniatina. Where we are heavy. Ah, well, a governor hacking or wabbing yatiena. Was a webomana. Ave manohomi, a hospital yajo. Ave governor, ave government or Baogia. Why home you bring hospital? The Nigeria were not bring hospital, has your way. I'm a governor where women are away, but we're not aware very on you because this is where we can see where a basaki. Women are behaving very away, and we're not swing our way do. Because a man will look be, if I saw 5,000 would 5,000 keka or wow. A man cannot very only once you see, one of John's again or move. Or mere with there, or got any name BP or red or hero. Eh, ya bag beware. There was again Yamaba away Yamagba or US or the Quebec body Canada. I don't know the idea of it, or we did. Only say I like a boy now. Anything at all already because a character no many people at where a rude or tanonagbe or my very only no what if you can't change that boy or my very only no or me well on women in it was the rest of the 5 years where Macoyame a character man you Macoyame a behavior or a behavior. Let's just say I don't like Facebook man I don't change it. What I go change it? The man I go change it? Ah, what's the enemy my young way? What's the idea? Don't change that boy. Then I have verse in the Wadiere no Magbani, was because of money day. Because I have verses on the Wadiere, I will when a banner very a day yet, your day problem. On a brionge, eh? Or what in a brionge? I have verse, I have verse. I have a sort of way when they were dating and get the same and your way. So everybody made your business. My friends say, that one where they talk, say, my friends say, may you try, may you mind your own business, yeah? Tell about say the what about no feed do now you want come to one. I bet may you sit down for one corner. That's your friend where you say my friend say donate for genocide. Carry your walla go one corner, yeah? My friend say everything where your friends tell you now you go they believe. Your friends feel take and tell laugh, just say take and say major talk and say I donate, you just carry come. My friend say donate. You see the money, you see the receipt. Even don't say your friend donates. Your friend tell you somebody you can't talk and say now she donates. That's your friend. Don't get a man where go contact talk say I see money where I donate. I be you hear say John say not give one couple to that man. Now everybody where they call now they give her the money. Mona made on a business. All this thing won't come too much. Una not like better thing. Enemy of progress. Una too many. Nobody go free breed that boy down. You don't say we start the business. You don't take. Not be on our way yesterday not be force. Mona not the note again. Mona forget. The boy even the talker. It's not by force. Not be by force to donate to charity. If you like, you donate. If you don't like, go to her. Another person go come go and donate. And not be waiting you like me like. Not be waiting you like me like. I beg. Don't say get for you. Don't say get for you. Don't say get for them. It don't do. A bunny come and not work with that so. I wave ni have pass through. I wave because have any more progress in any boom. No what I'm not what you better be. Oh, but near your talk. When I suffer, you go now, your book can say, I know. I'm your one. Oh, not bury where bury the money. If they bury you bury that money, you will go use that for where you man away. We got a on a done. So, Mona forget about all this nonsense. Mona forget. Now so this one say, now so the other one say donate, now so the other one not talk say donate. What if you na business? I beg. Now small thing I say me I can't still tell you. I don't say no go enter na head though. About no worry if funny the killing fly eating, all killing fly chopping it about Macbavani. Mama said, no, I hear a movie. And last year, not time, Odiano Sageta, December, Nari. What a temunia, we tata, we say, where I am Magbani of America, and I carry Europe, America in Genania. Yes, it's your give a gualo, I give a FBI. Mona so free a beg. Ununayariama. Ununayariama. Egadolo yo. Rotani yekeno. Iwon la lo. Abati. When he high. Ununayariama o. Ununayariama. Egadolo yo. Otani yekeno. Iwon bekwa. Iwon wak bekwa ni. Abat. Mind your business. Mind your business. Face your de police men working de kodete me can work me men work himself me je hen yati tomorrow no working the politician here the gbogbo men we yekin noise maker noise maker of Facebook or we yekin because you are making noise, you are disgracing the people of Edo State who were disgracing mind your business abatombaze, mind your business. Umana mind the business you wear, Why you luvon lo de ba me di no sage? Why you luvon lo de? When you ki umana ha me ke shari toge, I dey when na me see give am go to na ya ki ogoma. You are free to do it. Oba boy, we atoba boy ki o maze no ga do akabenya we panugudo ene nega panugu benu aya pake o bonu gba lo yo bovio ekun enu monya wa pa ne jenu segedo uwe ha wa pa panugudo abati obaze wa pa ene nuga panudu umosto pa you like it or not, that God sent foundation or more said donine I want to buy fear where you when no Magbabani no Davan, Gavane, where do I hear ya, Selena was a low poor, then now I'm a piano, Ijana way, Jare, I be a mokbia. I'm a beer master, word batty. You are just disgracing your family. Who disgracing I buy a hammer when we little most of your toy, where hammer way, temi rockba. Just again away me, I know. Because first of all, government register Latina, and then you know say charity nore mianti Facebook una we emore o ha gbo emore o ha gele gbo this emikere ni we to tana in we give a go we kun abet uri yoriere uvi ave samagun we ni ado agun me ba ni eni ma benu we wa bezu ere ni bezu anya cliffly chopping it benu we zu ere nya bezu because some no gele sense beni meje i very at ni ha me jono sage we do rie akanti we la dia do ya no do give me accountability Imerent, mama magbakie, mama magbakie, ma wetin am no o magba yeye, o mo nuwa we gba we business o we ha face. Ozo no ki yo de, o do ha ma we do give me accountability o gebo ki o ge mo hu. O ma ge mo hu. Ma we gba we the business. O ma na gba we business agba deal with. We no care outside dire, agba do deal with. Abeg, ni we deserve do we. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed, my people. One love.